In this video, we will learn how to create bullets numbering shortcut way. So let's start. In Home tab, here you can see the bullets. So you can use this bullet when you enter your data with the shortcut way. So I show you the first bullet. Enter the 2 time minus and enter the space. These bullets will comes, and when you write this, enter it. Second will become, third will become, fourth will. I just deleted this data. Again, enter the star and space. These bullets you can use. Okay, enter and write it. Just delete this. Now enter the 2 time minus and use the greater than sign. You can see this bullet. Enter it, write it, enter it, write it. Now just delete this. Now use only greater than sign, shift plus greater than sign, and just space. You can use this bullet for record your data. Delete it. Now enter the 2 time is equal to and use greater than sign. You can use this bullet. Okay, delete the all data. That's it. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.